Hello guys, if you want to unlock more display car locators in Forza Horizon 6, the process is actually pretty simple. Basically, you need to progress through the game a little bit and then start purchasing certain houses that give you extra display slots as a perk. One of the first houses that gives you this upgrade is the Hakusan Mountain Lodge. When you look at the house perks, you will see an additional garage slot perk which also increases your display car locator limit by +1. So once you buy that house, you immediately unlock one extra display car locator. Now there is also another house later in the game that gives you the same type of perk. That house is called Vision House. It unlocks a bit later as you progress and it costs around 1.5 million credits. After purchasing that house as well, you should reach the maximum number of display car locators available in the game. So overall, if you want more display car slots, just keep progressing, save your credits and purchase the houses that include the display car locator perks. This is basically all you need to do. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel.